Klenimore Dentures are marketed as a convenient at-home dental solution that supposedly restores your smile and eliminates the need for frequent dental visits. But the real question is, can they actually replace dental visits, or is that expectation completely unrealistic? Now, to be fair, modern dentures and temporary dental solutions can help people improve appearance and restore basic chewing function when natural teeth are missing. They can play a real role in dental care when properly fitted and maintained. What it does well may improve appearance of missing teeth. Dentures can restore a more complete smile, which can significantly improve confidence, could help with basic chewing ability. Well-fitted dentures may allow users to eat softer foods more comfortably, where the hype falls apart. It cannot replace professional dental care. This is the biggest issue. No over-the-counter denture product can replace a dentist's evaluation, fitting, and long-term care. Fit and comfort are highly variable. Poorly fitted dentures can cause discomfort, irritation, or difficulty speaking and eating. Underlying dental problems are not solved. Dentures do not treat gum disease, infections, or bone loss. So, can Klenimore Dentures replace dental visits? Short answer, no. They may help with appearance and basic function, but they cannot replace professional dental care. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.